In this video I will show you how to create 2D animated drawing effects in Blender 2.8 using Grease Pencil and a simple build modifier. Hi everyone, Zach Reinhardt here for cgboost.com and let's get started. First of all, open a fresh plan file, click on 2D animation in the splash screen or click on File, New 2D Animation. Then we have an empty canvas and we can start drawing. So here the stroke object is selected and we are in drawing mode. If you like, you can change the background color here in the world settings. In this case, I use dark gray. Now in the material tab, you can either use the default materials, maybe change the colors, or simply delete everything and create your own materials. In my case, I create one material with a light gray color, which I use for the general strokes, and one material with a bright orangey color for highlights, arrows, and stuff like this. Down here you can set up if your materials should be strokes only or if they should be filled, and you can set up different colors for each. While drawing, you can change the material over here and the brush radius and strength over here. This, by the way, you can also do by pressing F for the radius or Shift F for the strength directly in the 3D viewport. Over here you can change the pen type if you want to have a different style for your strokes. In my case, I use the ink pen. So before we now get started with drawing, make sure that in the output settings the frame rate matches the frame rate of your final video. In my case, this will be 60 FPS. So now start scribbling whatever you want to scribble, maybe something to show how much you love this awesome software. By the way, using a graphics tablet makes this process much more fun, since we can use the pressure sensitivity of the pen. So now, very cool, if you realize that your strokes are not in place, simply go to edit mode, use proportional editing and select the strokes you want, move them around, change them, duplicate them if you like, to make your drawing look exactly how you want it. Now go back to object mode, add the build modifier and change the length of the build modifier according to how long the scribble animation should run. Change the scene length and voila, you can see now your strokes will be animated. And I also add a few more frames at the end of my animation so the drawing stands still for a few seconds. When you want to add something to your drawing, make sure that the blue pointer in the timeline is back to frame 1. Temporarily disable the build modifier, draw in whatever you want to add and then re-enable the build modifier, and this will be added to your animation. So once you're done, make sure that in the output settings the right resolution is set and you set the name and output path for the animation. And now you can either render this as video file, so you will have the colored background in your video. For example, you can use FFmpeg with a MP4 container, H.264 video codec and high quality output. If you want to create annotations with transparent background, set this to PNG with RGBA. A stands for the transparent alpha channel, and also make sure that in the render settings under film, transparent is enabled. Now to save some render time, press Ctrl B and draw a render border around your drawing, and then hit Ctrl plus F12 to render this animation. Once you're done, open the video editor of your choice like Adobe Premiere, import your clip. Now if you want to adjust the drawing animation to your spoken text, you can either speed up or slow down the animation. You can cut out a part and add a still frame so you can extend your clip as much as you like. And this I also do at the end so I can adjust how long this drawing should stand still in the end. If you want to add annotations with transparent background to your video, simply import the image sequence. Make sure that you change the frame rate of the image sequence to match the frame rate of your final video. Put it above your video, transform it to the right place. And here a small trick to make this look even cooler. Add a still frame after the drawing is done, so you can make this annotation as short or as long as you like. Then duplicate the drawing part to the end of this clip. Then reverse the speed of this clip, speed this up a bit. And now you can see that this drawing appears. It will stand still for a few seconds and then this will disappear again. And yeah guys, that's it. This easy you can create 2D animated drawings in Blender. Pretty easy, draw a bunch of strokes and basically just add a build modifier to it. If you enjoyed this video and maybe learned a thing or two, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel and ring the bell underneath this video. And if you want to support this channel here and gain more 3D skills, check out our premium Blender courses at academy.cgboost.com. And don't forget to sign up to our resource section free of charge, where you can download our Blender 2.8 shortcut PDF and our free 15-part Blender beginners course. The links you can find down below in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.